What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. As you can see, MIUI 12.3 by Razer Team 12.0.3 stable version is now available for Redmi Note 8. It's already available for Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 6 Pro and Redmi Note 7. If you're using any of these devices, you can download it directly, and also if you're using Redmi Note 8, it's now available. And let me tell you one thing, that this ROM is not a ported ROM. This is a modded ROM from the official Xiaomi EU stable ROM. So don't think about that this is a ported ROM, so you might get some bugs. It's based on official ROM with some modifications like Razer logo and something other things like that. I already have a beta version for this. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check out that one. This one is the stable version. If you want to check out, the link is in the description. Let's find out which other things you get here. This one is the latest Razer Mode 12.0.0.3 stable version with Android version 10 as expected, with the November security patch, and you'll get this kind of kernel version Ginkgo Vikingo Phoenix RV1 Plus. And this ROM is quite good. As you can see, here is my name already available, Ginkgo Maintainer Tekken. This is my one, and I'm using this on my Redmi Note 8. You can use this build, it's already available as I previously told you for Redmi Note 5 Pro, Note 6 Pro and Note 7. If you're using any of these devices, the link for all of the devices is in the description. No worries about that. Let me show you some things. First of all, the default UI as expected is changed, the Razer Wallpapers and this new icons which are inspired from the Massic. These are available by default. The new volume panel as expected, like this one. And also let me show you one more thing. If you go for the safety net status, in my case, that as I already told you that this is not a ported ROM, this is based on official stable. So yes, it has a SafeNet status pass, which means I'll be able to use the banking apps without any issues. So this is something which sometimes some users need this, and yes, it's working fine, so no issues here and there. Talking about the things which you get here, as I previously told you, the Massic icons is pre-installed, and the pill which you can see here is not pre-installed. It's not by default because it's based on stable, and stable does not have this pill and those Android 10 gestures, this floating windows. These are not available in the stable one, so as in this one too. But I've enabled it. How I have enabled it, let me tell you one more thing. In my use, I'm using Magisk V20.3 here. You can also use the Magisk and install the module. I have a video on that one too. Make sure to check out that one. Enable pill MIUI 12 stable. This one is the pill with this one is the model which I'm using to enable this kind of pill here, but it breaks some things in your device. Let me show you which are the things you might not get after installing this module or after installing this pill from here. If you go to your display here, you will not see reading mode. No reading mode. Double tap to wake will not work. So some features which you don't use, which sometimes you don't use, which sometimes you use. In my case, I never use reading mode. I never use double tap to wake. So for me, there's no issue. I will definitely use these kind of navigation pill and floating windows and gestures. And if you also don't use, you can use this navigation pill and gestures, and I have a video on that. You can simply click on I button to check out that video and install this latest pill options if you want that. And as I previously told you, reading mode will no more there, but still, if you want to get reading mode back, you can simply uninstall the module from Magisk Manager by going here, click on delete icon, reboot, and you'll see all the features would be there. But I just installed just from my preferences. This is not pre-installed, this is not available. If you want to install, it's your choice. If you don't want to install, it's your choice. Also, you can see there's no browser. There's only Chrome which is pre-installed, but no browser like Mi browser is removed from here. Also, second thing is no Mi video. So yes, you can simply install any other video app. Some things which I removed, and those were not good, that's why. Other thing seems to be, if you're looking for some features, the ROM does not come with many features, as it is just a modded build with some little bit of extra things like Razer Wallpapers and some things like that. Also, let me show you by going into settings, and here we have the wallpapers. These were the wallpapers which you also get in the latest beta version. I have a beta version also available. These three gamer dynamic wallpapers are available like this. So if you need these kind of wallpapers, then this is also kind of really interesting. This one is one of my favorite. I simply click on apply, set both, and it's done. Just go ahead, and as you can see, the wallpaper looks damn interesting. If you love these wallpapers, then this ROM is quite good for you. Also, you can see Wi-Fi icon is looking good here. Going for the control center, you do not get that gray shade which was available on a beta version. This is a stable version based on stable, so yes, there is no gray shade there. This is a blur effect with the red kind of accent colors, and also you'll see Razer Edition here looking something really interesting. If you like this, you can simply install this build. These were the things I just want to share with you. Also, if you go for some other things, lock screen, display, sound and vibration, everything seems to be same, and working here, password and security also includes the same kind of things, which includes the fingerprint and face lock, and both are working at the same time. As you can see, I'm using here. Going for the lock screen, same kind of things. Going for the display, here you have the option to choose a DPI. You can set the DPI if you want to. Other things seems to be same here. By control center and notification shade, everything seems to be same and nothing new here. All those things I just want to share with you, I already shared with you. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. And also, if you have noticed, the fonts are also changed, and one of my favorite fonts are these. Yes, you can use these fonts also by installing this build. These are pre-installed by default fonts. As I previously told you, this was all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.